Hi, welcome to our channel. Had been for a job of boiler standard service, but found that there was leak on the pressure sensor. Shown the leak to the client and client requested to fix it. Closed the cold water valve and drained the boiler by opening the hot water tank. Tried to open the pressure gauge by using various spinners, but eventually number 17 worked for it and opened the gauge. It should be noted that all the pressure gauge was made of plastic. Wrap the Loctite 55 around the thread and put it back in its old position, and then tried to tighten with the spanner. But sadly, while doing so, the spanner stuck in the pressure gauge, which led to snapped off the gauge, leaving behind screwed part in the diverter valve. Now the task was to remove the remaining plastic part from diverter valve body. Tried to use the flat screwdriver but useless. Then realized to use some other tools like battery-operated drilling bit to cut the plastic into parts and then remove. So went to the van to fetch some tools and a new pressure gauge. Tried to screw a threaded screw in the plastic and I thought I would twist the screw and the broken plastic part would come out, but the plane didn't produce the desired results. Now tried the drill bit, drilled the bit and make the hole bigger. After making the hole bigger with drill, used a flat screwdriver in the hole and twisted it, and it worked. Bang! Now installing the new pressure gauge by gently twisting the gauge and tightened with spanner number 14. After removing the plastic part, remove the old washer and other remainings and clean the hole as it should be. Now installing the new pressure gauge by gently twisting the gauge and tied it with spanner number 14. Now attaching hoses cables to the pressure gauge. Now opening the cold inlet valve under the boiler. Flue gas analyzes reading now and then flue integrity reading. And check the boiler for leaks from pressure gauge, but found no leak whatsoever.